Hey everybody, welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. Just doing a quick little video here to reveal the name of this beauty. There were not a lot of people that commented and gave their suggestions on their names, so to the all of 2 or 3 people that did, thank you. But since I didn't really have a variety of one that was chosen more over the other, there was like one of each of my names chosen. I decided to just go ahead and put some real thought into it for myself. Not that I would not have appreciated the assistance, but in the end, I decided to name him Iroh. I almost decided to name him Rorschach because of the ink-like splooshes down the back, but I decided that I'm sure there's another snake to come into my life that is definitely better suited for that name. But Iroh seemed like a really good name for him. And Iroh, in case you do not know, is the character from Avatar: The Last Airbender, wise old man. So that's his name. It's Iroh, and he is looking good. It's feeding day. I'm letting some rats thaw now, so that he can eat along with some of the others. So there you go, folks. There is Iroh in all of his beautiful glory.